2024 Tesla Model 3, when the starting point is a vehicle like the Model S. This is relatively easy to achieve. On the other hand, the Model 3 is already criticized for being too simple, containing a single screen that concentrates vehicle information, infotainment, and the operation of several functions in the car. Reducing that even more will be quite a challenge. Reuters mentioned how Tesla had adopted massive cast parts to make the Model Y assembly faster. The electric crossover made a Giga Austin has a cast structure for the front end, one for the rear end, which the Model Y made in other locations also has, and a structural battery pack that reduced the number of parts composing the platform to 3. The refreshed Model 3 should follow the same concept, but Reuters could not confirm that. The production of the reverse electric sedan at Giga Shanghai should start in the third quarter of 2023. Reuters source did not confirm when that will happen with the Model 3 made in Fremont, but it would not make sense to change the sedan in China and not in the US as soon as possible. After all, Tesla still sells a large share of Model 3s in its home market.